안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Chung. It's so great to see you again. A while ago, I introduced the japchae stir-fried noodles. Although the cuisine is very delicious, japchae contains various ingredients and takes lots of time to make. So it's not easy to make and eat often. That's why many Koreans make this cuisine on a special day. So I wanna reintroduce a simple version of japchae so that you can cook easily. Let's check it out right away. Step 1. Cutting the ingredients. These are glass noodles. Soak the glass noodles in warm water for about an hour. After draining the water, the glass noodles become like this. Before we start today, let's measure how long does it take to make a super simple japchae. Slice the half an onion thinly. Slice the red bell pepper thinly. Cut the yellow bell pepper thinly. Cut the green bell pepper thinly. If you don't have bell peppers, you can use other ingredients such as a carrot and spinach. Slice the pork thinly. Julienne it again. Step 2. Stir-fry ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a preheated pan. Add onions. Stir-fry the onions. Add the sliced bell peppers. Stir-fry it over high heat for 1 minute. Bell peppers are vegetables, so you don't have to stir-fry them too long. Sprinkle a bit of salt after 1 minute. Turn off the heat when the onions are cooked to a certain extent. Put it in a plate and cool it down. Step 3. Stir-fry pork and glass noodles. Put the pork in a preheated pan. Add half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper. When the meat is a bit cooked, add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 5 tablespoons of water. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Japchae tastes good when it has a slightly sweet taste. Add the soaked glass noodles. Japchae tastes better if you stir-fry the meat and glass noodles together with the seasoning. Turn off the heat when the seasoning is boiled down. Put the glass noodles in a large bowl. Add the vegetables that you just stir-fried. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it well. Let me place it in a plate. Wow, it only took 10 minutes to make a simple japchae. If it takes only 10 minutes, I can make it often.